It's your boy Marcus X, live from Dog Breeders Lifestyle, man. I'm taking my girls to the vet, man. Make sure they flushed out good, no more blood inside of them, so I can do this breeding, man. Got my wife over there, look at her. All she do is play bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Yeah, we headed to the vet. What is this, May the 2nd, 2025? Yeah, man, Dog Breeders Lifestyle. Stay tuned. After going to the vet and getting the results, there's no infections, no more blood inside of them. They're all good. The vet even gave me some antibiotics just in case they get a UTI or anything like that. So both of them was good, man, and I'm thankful for that. So yeah, man, get ready to do this breeding with both of them. And see if we have some puppies on the way, man. Stay tuned. Dog Breeders Lifestyle.